Welcome to the video on compensation management. Topic: performance appraisal methods, in that modern methods of appraisal. In modern performance appraisal methods, there are 6 different methods such as management by objectives, MBO, 360-degree feedback, assessment center method, behaviorally anchored rating scales, psychological appraisals, and human accounting method. First, we will see management by objectives. Management by objectives is a strategic management model that aims to improve the performance of an organization by clearly defining objectives that are agreed to by both management and employees. The process of MBO starts with defining organizational goals, then defining employees' objectives, followed by continuous monitoring and performance and progress. Then they will be evaluating performance. After performance evaluation, proper feedback will be provided to the employees how exactly they performed in their job position. Next is 360-degree appraisal. It is a system in which employees will get feedback from all people they work with. There are about 7 to 12 people who will fill out a form, which is usually a feedback form. The contents of the form may vary from broad range of competencies to work environment. The employees who receive the feedback will also be required to fill out a self-assessment, which again might consist of the same components. You can see here how exactly the 360-degree appraisal is happening. So the feedback form will be filled by top management, immediate superiors, customers, self, peers, and subordinates. This will be applied based on the nature of job of one job position. Next is psychological appraisal. This method assesses the employee's potential for future performance rather than the past one. It focuses on the employee's emotional, intellectual, and motivational and other personal characteristics affecting his or her performance. Next, coming to human resource accounting. This method aims to find out the net contribution of employee to the company in monetary terms. The cost of the employee is calculated by adding the expenses incurred on the employee, like compensation, cost of recruitment, and training and development. After this, the monetary contribution of the employee is found out. The difference between the contribution and the cost of employee indicates the performance of the employee. If the contribution is more, the employee will be appraised positively. Next is assessment center method. An assessment center typically involves the use of methods like social or informal events, tests, and exercises, assignments being given to a group of employees to assess their competencies to take higher responsibilities in the future. Generally, employees are given an assignment similar to the job they would be expected to perform if promoted. The trained evaluators observe and evaluate employees as they perform the assigned jobs and are evaluated on job-related characteristics. The contents of assessment center include group exercise, intro exercises, psychometric tests in the social side, presentations, and interviews. Next is behaviorally anchored rating scales method. Behaviorally anchored rating scale is a measuring system which rates an employee or trainee according to their performance and specific behavioral patterns. BARS is designed to bring the benefits of both quantitative and qualitative data to employee appraisal process, as the mechanism combines both benefits of narratives, critical incidents, and quantified ratings. This is an example of BARS. We can see that different attributes are utilized for performing this behaviorally anchored rating scales method.